How to renew Progressive Insurance. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you can open up a browser that you prefer in your device. In the search bar, just go ahead and search for www.progressive.com. Now you will get the renewal option online for your Progressive Insurance. For it, firstly, you will have to log into your account. Once you are in your account, you can view your policy details and likely initiate it. If you want help and support regarding it, select the resources option. In the resources at the bottom, you can select on the chat now option or tap on contact us. In here, you will find various of medium through which you can contact Progressive team. If you tap on Start Chat, you can chat with the bot regarding the renewal process. If not, call the toll-free number and the agent will walk you through the process and provide you with necessary answers to your query. If not, you can use the alternative method of sending an email, to which firstly you will have to select a topic and fill out the fields. Once you fill out all of your residential detail and your personal information, you will see a dialog box at the bottom, in which you can type in your inquiry regarding the renewal of your policy or insurance. By this way, you shall be able to renew your Progressive Insurance without a hassle. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.